if we don't make our leaders accountable, they will continue to misuse us. They will continue to be thieves. We must make them accountable. They must know that we need to make sure that the nation becomes developed. And it cannot develop if they are not working very, very hard. Our leaders are just idle and productive when we trust them more to do good things for our nation. Little is done and poverty continues to add havoc on poor Malawians. We've been hoping that the nation of Malawi was to develop longer time ago. We had Vision 2020. It never helped. And now we have Vision 2063. What are we going to see about it? Will really the nation develop? Because currently the behavior and conduct of our leaders is not good at all. Does not show kind of seriousness. Like really we mean what we want to see happening in this nation as far as development is concerned. Leaders, you've got the big responsibility to lead people exemplarily. Show good manners. Do things that are right. Don't disappoint people like the way you've been doing. Only doing politics too much, which is all about self-centeredness, looking for the good for yourself, while people continue suffering. As Malawi, we can devour, we can become rich. It's just a matter of us working together, making sure that we are doing things for the development of all people. Development is not about an individual or political party. It is about all people getting developed. And it is possible. Countries like China, America, Europe have achieved the highest development because they do things for common good. Everybody else must have equal opportunity. But here in Malawi, it's not like that. There are no equal opportunities here. People suffering. People are getting poorer every day. And there are only a few people getting rich and the fifth rich. You know, when you are rich beyond acceptable ways, like you are extremely rich, it's not good. But it's like you've taken all the wealth of the people and it is only belonging to you alone. While millions of the people are suffering, they can't have better life. They're not able to eat properly. They miss meals because they don't have money, they don't have food. But you cannot miss meals. You're spending millions just for meals. You're spending money in different places because you have too much. You just want to waste away the money. That's not good. Let's build this nation for the people to be okay. For us all to be okay. To lead the same life. To be equal. That's what we want. But this is not happening. We are getting poorer every day. This is not happening. It's not getting well in this nation. There have been a lot of promises to transform the lives of the people. But we're seeing that that is not happening. People are getting poor. People continue to live in poverty. People continue to beg for food. This is not what we wanted. It's getting extremely too difficult in this nation to survive. But we can change this if politicians understand that they're there to give good election so that the nation can develop and people can be prosperous. Equally, we've got resources. We've been hearing about the availability of the precious minerals in Malawi. But are they benefiting poor people? No, not at all. Why is that so? Our leaders are not good leaders. I hope they will change and they will make the nation to be rich. I wanted to come here just to shout out and speak like this to our leaders so that they should know that as Malawians, we want them to do better. Because if a nation is better, we will no longer give them pressure. We will no longer put them under scrutiny. Because we know they're doing a good job. What we will do is just to support and promote them, to encourage them, because they're doing good things. But as it is right now, they're not doing good things. They're making this nation getting poorer. The promises they have about this nation are not happening. And therefore, we see like we have leaders, but they're not doing anything to make the nation develop. Please change as you see that people are struggling, suffering. They want to see their lives getting better. It can be done in this nation. It is going to happen if leaders can change. If leaders can know that they're there to help people, not to help themselves, not to look for the prosperity of their lives alone, without creating opportunities for all people, whether you are educated or not educated, whether you are big or not big, whether you're woman or not woman, whether you're ordinary person, poor or rich, we must all be equal. It's this nation of Malawi, we're all Malawians. Why difference in terms of levels of prosperity? Yet we know many people are poor instead of getting rich. We can change this. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to watch my videos for long hours. Until I come back for another video, have a very good day.
If you are caught seeing drugs, you'll be punished. Public service management. Mr. Speaker, sir, for a long time, my public service was among the best in Africa in terms of professionalism, discipline, and hard-working spirit. Sadly, service delivery across all sectors has collapsed. Malawians struggle to access best services such as quality education, healthcare, potable water, and sanitation services, passports, driving licenses, electricity, and social welfare programs, as well as pensions and gratuities. I want an efficient service delivery and integrity of the civil service restored and all unbudgeted recruitments and procedural promotions must stop. Foreign policy and international relations. Mr. Speaker,